Exercise 5.4. Before starting this exercise, I want to tell you some terms that will be used in this exercise. The first is the ordered pair. What do you mean by the ordered pair? The ordered pairs consist of two elements, A and B, in which A is the first element and B is the second element. The next one is the Cartesian product of two sets. The Cartesian product will be denoted by A cross B and read as A cross B. In this set, all ordered pairs A and B, where A is in A and B belongs to set B. How we can find the Cartesian product? We have to understand this question. This is the question number 2 of exercise 5.4. In this question, set A is given 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is given 1, 3, 5. And the given relation is xy such that y is less than x. According to this relation, we have to write the Cartesian product from A to B. As in the question, condition is given, the binary relation is from A to B. So, first of all, we have to find the Cartesian product 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5. Next 2, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 5. Next element is 3, 1, 3, 3 and 3, 5. The last one will be the combination of 4, 1, 4, 3 and 4, 5. See, here are the 4 elements of set A and set B is having 1, 3, 5, 3 elements. So, 4 3s are 12. In the Cartesian product, we will have the 12 ordered pairs. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. See, we are having 12 ordered pairs from A to B. Now, according to the given condition, the given binary relation is see, we are having xy, the ordered pair xy, it denotes the ordered pair. So, in this ordered pair, we have to select those ordered pairs which are having the value of y less than x. This is the given condition. So, we have to choose just those ordered pairs which are having this condition. Okay, now we have made the A cross B, the Cartesian product from A to B, and now we have to select the ordered pairs in which this condition is there. Okay, y is less than y. See, here y is equal to x, y is greater to x, here is also y is greater than x, here y is less than x. So, you have to select this one. Then again y is greater than x, y is greater than x, here y is less than x. So, you have to take it also. Here both y and x are equal, here y is greater than x. In this ordered pair, the value of y is less than x. So, here also y is less than x. In this ordered pair, y is greater than x. So, just select those ordered pairs in which y is less than x, means the second element is less than the first element. So, in tabular form, it can be written as the relation in which y is less than x is 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1 and 4, 3. Check it again. Same है, यहाँ y ग्रेटर है, यहाँ भी y ग्रेटर है, यहाँ लेस है, यहाँ ग्रेटर है, यहाँ ग्रेटर है, यहाँ लेस है, यहाँ इक्वल है दोनों, and here is also greater, here is less, and here is also x is less, and here is greater. So we have choose those ordered pairs in which y is less than the x.